If you're looking for an all-rounder automatic watch with a dash of dressiness and a whole ton of classiness, look no further than the Citizen C7 series. This lovely green dialed model is known as the NH8391-51X and features a 40.2mm stainless steel case, a 3-hand automatic movement, and of course these timeless looks. Whether it be a professional dive watch or a simple dress watch, Citizen use their unmatched craftsmanship and legacy to produce high quality watches, and this model is no exception. While first coming across as quite tame, diving deeper into the details of this piece allows you to appreciate it for what it is. And it is simple, elegant, and classy. So let's start off with that dial, which takes on a dark green tone with a sunburst appearance emanating from the center. From afar, this might come across as a black dial, but looking closer, you definitely see those green highlights, and getting in the sun will make this one shine. That sunburst appearance makes for a beautiful texture and definitely adds to that classiness. Overlaid over this colorful dial are these lines quartering it, which gives off a vintage feel in my opinion and is seen across the C7 series. One detail I'm really loving is this unique heptagon shaped day window. It's super interesting. I've not seen anything quite like it in any other watch, and it just adds a little bit of flair to an otherwise plain watch. Keen watch enthusiasts may notice these models pay tribute to the Citizen Crystal 7 series from 1965, which are a bit of a collector's piece now. Details such as the shape of the day window and overall case shape seem to be carried over, which is really cool. There's definitely a lot of vintage or retro remakes these days. I think this one pays homage really well. Other details I really appreciate are these sharp and shiny indices. They look great and include a little dot of lume above each one. There's also a lume found in the hour and minute hands. The date window sits at 3, and that's pretty much everything found on the dial. Flipping the watch over, we can look into the 8200 caliber movement, which affords a 40-hour power reserve. A stainless steel bracelet with a push button buckle will keep this one firmly on your wrist. And let's talk about that fitment, because with a 49mm lug to lug measurement, this will suit a slightly larger than average wrist. My wrist measures just around 16 to 17 centimeters in diameter, and I'll be honest, it only just fits. It'd be really cool to see these models in a smaller case size. I know Seiko have done a similar thing with their Seiko 5s, so maybe Citizen can do the same. Anyway, that is the Citizen NH8391-51X, part of the Citizen C7 series. This will make for a great dress watch. Wear it with a suit, you're going to look amazing. This series is available in a wide range of colors and strap options, so do check them out online at watchdepot.com.au. There is a link in the description for all these models in this series that we stock, so click that link if you want to buy one. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more watch content. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.